Hello world, welcome to my channel. This short video is on replacing my old canvas Supercheap seat covers I've had on for 4 years and replacing them with King's neoprene premium seat covers. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm replacing these canvas seat covers. They're looking old and tired and worn out. Starting to not shred, but anyway, they're getting old, so I decided to replace them with King's seat covers and my Hilux. Yeah, that's the old seat cover off the passenger side. They're still quite good, usable. A couple of stains on them, been on there for 4 years. Can't help that. Take the dog down the beach and I go to the beach and been camping. And I've just replaced it with the passenger side at the moment. They're nice and soft, waterproof, with elastic on the headrest here, and there is plastic buckles and adjustable straps on the bottom. A bit better than the velcros you normally get on them. I don't like the velcros, but they look quite good there. They should be a lot softer than the canvas ones too. It's supposed to be 6mm thick. I don't know if it's 6mm, but that's it there. Nice stitching, airbag compatible. Not that this model ute has any side airbags or seat airbags, but the later ones certainly do. One of the key features of the seat covers is these pockets. Big deep pockets. There's one big one down the bottom, and there's a big one at the top, which is divided into two. So 2 little ones at the top here. So 2 little ones there and a big one down there. So you can carry plenty of gear in there. Yeah. I think the earlier models of these seat covers didn't have them. So I've just been putting the other one on. I haven't finished it yet. So I'm really appreciating these pockets in the back. Well, I got them in. Give me time to clean it up a little bit. This thing is getting a bit dirty. There's the second one in. So I sat on them already and they feel softer than the canvas. A bit more give in them. And I always put towels down anyway on the seats so I can pick up the towels and wash them. And they double up as if you go swimming, you can always use them for a towel to dry yourself off. But yeah, I'm quite happy with them for just under $100. You can probably get them cheaper, but I have seen them advertised for about 140, 150 neoprene seat covers from other companies. But yeah, I just haven't got that one adjusted properly yet, but yeah, I'll redo that in a minute. But yeah, Yeah, so that's what they look like. King's neoprene seat covers. Towels on the back floor for my dog. And they also double as towels if you need them. They're all washed and clean, but so we've got 3 of them down there. Just go through the layers. And they're the King's deep dish floor mats, which I like in this Hilux. Don't particularly like them in my other work Hilux. There's no, these don't move. The work Hilux, they move all over the place. That's in there. That's the seat covers there. These are the towels I always put on. So nice sitting on towels. I love sitting on towels. And I say, if you get sweaty, you can always just wash them quickly instead of taking the whole seat cover off. And it's generally the bottom that gets dirty and wet. But yeah, I quite like the look of them. Stitching looks good. Name looks good. Easy to fit. Yeah, I'm happy with the result. And I've actually cleaned the car as well, which is a bonus. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers!